Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing TP-Link Deco AX3000 whole home mesh router system with 3 nodes. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, let's see what's inside. All right, this is beautiful. All right, first up we have Deco units. As you see, these have a sleek modern design that will these things will fit nicely in any room. Will be fairly invisible. Some people buy stands for them or the wall mounts. Planning on putting it on a corner table somewhere invisible. They have 3 Ethernet. I believe these are gigabit ports and a power port. Beautiful. Huh. And this rubbery feet underneath, which is really cool. And I think this is an LED light to show you the status of the routers. All right. Next, I think we have the power buttons and other stuff. Good old. Oh wow, TP-Link did a really good job in packaging. I give this to them. There are 3 power adapters. Let's go ahead and open these. Kind of on the large side, power adapters, and basically goes right in here, as you see. All right, there are 3 of these, and a quick install guide with I assume Ethernet port, and a little bit of instruction showing if you can't connect to the Wi-Fi 6 products wirelessly, blah blah blah. All right, it's fairly simple. Hope installation will be equally simple as well. So there you have it. Whole home mesh system. Excellent. Alright you guys, this is the TP-Link Deco AX3000 whole home router system. I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and if you have any questions or if you have any tips for me, please feel free to go ahead and drop me a line at the comments section. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys at the next video. Thanks for watching.